run really, really well and for a long time on a fill of fuel. And that is because they both have a similar arrangement where their fuel mixer is level with the tank so that the fuel pressure stays relatively constant the whole time. I do have to say that I really like the look on the flyball governor for the ET6 as a side shaft engine. But I think I'm going to shut these down and do a proper review on the ET6 and the ET7. Yeah, both of those were only open about a quarter turn today and ran really nice, which the vertical usually takes a half turn, and that the ET7, yeah, with the rocker arm, that one took even less, but it seemed to go through the fuel really fast today. So I think that one has a different shaped needle valve on it, but we'll talk about it more when I do a proper review on it.